Here we go, they're checking out the new cabin deck. Yeah, there's our sheep. Cute. Oh, you can zoom with the video now. That's cool. Couldn't do that before. So Grandpa's got a big lanai built on to the cabin, so got lots of space now. What do you think of that, huh? You licking it? Oh, you scared him. Hey, little sheepy. You think you're a horse? I think the sheep likes to hang around Bert the most, huh? Grandpa Bert. He's gentle. I can't do it, wait. Who's that? Alright, well, wish you guys were here.